Right, 2014 Jaguar XJ, 3-litre diesel, upper wishbone. Now, that's what I've just replaced. That's absolutely gone, and the gauge was split. So, the process of doing this, every video I've seen online has seen a bit scaremongery, and I thought, ooh. So, my tips from me doing it is you have to get to this nut right down here. So bolt comes through here and there's another one here. Now these are camber bolts, so make a note of where this tab is here. See that? So I think I can't remember now, I'll have to look at my pictures. I always take photos. One there and I think the other one was up this position. So that's the difference. Hold them in place. Now to get to this nut, you do have to take windscreen wipers off, scuttle panel, relatively straightforward. I've seen things online, now there's a cap on this plastic here behind it that covers this nut. Now, I've seen people cutting it off and everything because it's, you know, to me that's just a bodge. So, this module, plug, not module, but this plug connector block sits down there, pull that out. This is your bonnet release cable. I've done it from here, released it from under there. Gives you enough space to get out of the way to push this back. Now, there's a 10mm there, another 10mm all the way down there. This, with all that stuff out of the way. Oh, and I removed the loom. I just pulled the loom out of there just to free this plastic cowling off. Got something behind it, just pushed it, and now you can see I've got access. I actually had a piece of wood down here earlier to give me access. And I'm going to have a piece of wood to get that nut back on in a minute. When you've finally done that, you got that one off and that one off. You have 4 nuts up here to undo, and electrical plug comes out the top if you've got the dynamic suspension. Yeah, relatively straightforward. Now, this is where it gets a bit fiddly because space. So you undo this 19mm, 18mm, depends on what spec it is. You cannot get that bolt and that bolt out because of this. So you undo them 4 bolts. That allows this to drop down a bit. Now, you come down here, and there's this bolt here that supports the leg. They can be rusty, they can be tight. That is I think it's a T60. With that out, that allows this leg to drop down a little bit. It'll still be stuck. You have to put your foot on here, as you can see I have been. Push the arm down. That allows this to drop. Move it to one side. It's tight. I used a piece of wood in here. Pushed it over with my foot on there. It got the leg to go. It got the strut to go over. Tight, but it's enough space to get that out. Then same down over this way. Extract that one out. Obviously, then this off. And change reverse. Only tip I'll give, I haven't done them up yet because I'll wait until the wheel's back on the car so it's at weight, or I'll put the jack under it, lift it up so it's under load, make sure they're in the right place, and then tighten them up. Yes, it is going to be fiddly getting that nut back on there. Oh, sorry, I also undone just loosened off the fuel filter to give me more clearance to get down here. There you go. Hope that helps somebody.